Hello and welcome to another edition of TAM Studio. This is Mark Bernardo, a technical account manager based out of Manila. For today's feature review, we will talk about a minor improvement in Genesys Cloud, particularly in the user settings page, where it now displays the user login to the application details. So let's get started. The user settings page now display the last date and time that the user logged into the application with their authenticated credentials. With this new enhancement, the user login to the system details such as the last date and time is now available under the user settings page. For more information, you may want to visit our resource center, then look for the user settings article. This feature has no restriction by user or required user to access as well. So for demo purposes, I'm actually logging in to one of our sandbox. So as an agent, when I go to the user settings, my last login information is now available. So this is basically the new enhancement or the new information that we added into the Genesys Cloud under the user settings page. This feature is also available for a supervisor account. So let's say if I am logging in as a supervisor under the user settings page, just click on it. Then the supervisor last login details should be available as well. So with this new feature, the admin can determine the identity of the user with the most recent access to the system. So that should be all for me. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or clarification, you can send us an email at tamstudio@genesys.com. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.